Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, in episode 107, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer your XRP from Coinbase to a Tangem wallet in 2025. With the crypto landscape changing rapidly, moving your assets to a secure hardware wallet like Tangem is a smart move to protect against hacks and keep full control of your funds. Let's dive right in. First off, before we get started, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some XRP in it, and your Tangem wallet should be set up and connected to the XRP network. If you're new to this, take a moment to double-check, it's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your email and password, or enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Once you're in, head to the dashboard and locate your XRP balance. Step 2. Click on your XRP wallet to open the details. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually prominent and easy to find. Step 3. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be precise here, and remember to check for any minimum withdrawal requirements, which might have updated by 2025. Step 4. In the recipient field, paste your Tangem wallet's XRP address. You can find this in the Tangem app. Just make sure it's correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Pro tip. Always verify the address twice. Step 5. Review the transaction summary. This will show you the amount, any network fees, which could be lower in 2025 thanks to tech improvements, and the estimated transfer time. If everything looks good, hit confirm. Step 6. After confirmation, Coinbase will process the transfer. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the XRP network congestion. Once it's done, open your Tangem Wallet app to verify that your XRP has arrived safely. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so double-check everything. Also, in 2025, keep an eye on any new regulations that might affect XRP transfers. There you have it. That's how you securely move your XRP to Tangem. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.